Hello, this is Arun here, and you're here to learn the next set of bachata shines with me. And this is a song from Sebas Garetta. The guitar is always an inspiration for doing shines and bachata. So for this song as well, the bachata, the guitar was really playful, and I thought, okay, let's do some shines for this song. Let's get going, and I'm gonna show from the back and from the front, so you can learn from both sides. I'm gonna show in three-dimensional. Of course, the movement could be a little bit three-dimensional in an angle, but I'm gonna do it in two-dimensional for you to learn clearly. Okay, so first we're gonna start with a basic variation. So that's my basic: 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? So from here, I'm just going to go 1, 2. I'm gonna jump, like I push the floor and hop up. So this is the idea, but I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, and 4, and okay, one more time: 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and if you cannot reach the end, 3 and 4 is also good. So you can also go 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can also go straight ahead with the 5 from there. So it's just how quickly you can step. You can use that the last end or not. Okay, let's go one more time: 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, cha cha cha. Let's keep the cha 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 so it's easier to go. From here, I'm gonna go forward with my right leg on the 5. 5 tap, 6 tap, 7 tap. Okay, so the counts would be 5 and 6 and 7, 8. One more time: 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, cha cha cha. 5 and 6 and 7, 8. We're going to do a hip roll, but as we complete the hip roll, I'm going to use my right leg to drag my weight to my left. So 1, 2. Once my weight is here, I'm going to go heel, toe, heel. Okay, we go 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So wait for your weight to go all the way to your right side, and then it's easy to move your feet. So we get the heel in, toe in, heel in, and drag your hip along with your toes, so you kind of give this visual effect that you're moving or dragging your body. Okay, so we go 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're going to complete this with the same set of footwork that we did in the previous bar: 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Let's do both the bars together: 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, cha cha cha. 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Hip roll: 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6 and 7, 8. I'm going to cross my feet from here with my left leg forward. So when I finish, if I turn my body to my right side, it makes it easier for me to cross. We're going to do a syncopation. So cross, in place, out, in place, cross, and tap. Same thing we're going to do it on the other side: cross, in place, out, in place, cross, and tap. The counts would be 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Try to keep it really small. I'm not really stepping big, but I'm only crossing and putting my leg in the front. Okay, so I don't want you to go too much, then it looks like salsa. So it's cross and back and cross and back. If you want to practice cross and back and cross and back. Okay, so here: 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3. Tap outside, so it's easier to cross your feet on the other side: 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Okay, now from here, we're going to do like a rowing action. So you're going to cross and back, tap. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and now I'm going to go 5. I'm going to stretch my 5. I don't want the intention to go to the side, so in order to control my weight, I'm going to step 5 and kind of put my weight into the floor on the 5. So I'm going to go 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1. Okay, we'll try the last bar: 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1. Let's go from the top and put everything together and see how it connects with each other beautifully. And when you try with the song, it's going to feel like a magic. Let's go: 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, cha cha cha. 5 and 6 and 7. Hip roll: 1, 2, heel, toe, heel. 5 and 6 and 7, cross, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try from the front. I'm going to be facing you. I'm not mirroring you, so I'm only a reference. I'm going to start from the top and then see how it looks. Check out any of the information that you missed out from the other side. You can catch up on this side in this view. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, basic. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 5 and 6 and 7, hip roll. 1, 2, hip and toe. 5 and 6 and 7, 8. You need to cross your body. 1 and 2 and 3. Tap. 5 and 6 and 7. Tap. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and basic. 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me do the front view one more time without much break, so it's a nice flow. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 5 and 6 and 7, hip roll. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and 7, cross. 1 and 2 and 3. Tap. 5 and 6 and 7. Tap. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and basic. 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed the shines. Let me know how it goes, and I'm very curious to see how you dance for this song. Good luck with this.